All right, folks, here's the next phase. We're going to put these inlet and outlet pipes on the toilet, back of the toilet, and measure them. So, like I say, stick them in the water and detergent or dishwashing liquid, and then slide it on. It's basically just to protect your knock the excess off, and then shove it in all the way. You kind of have to work it because it's nice tight fit. Both of them, just like that. And then once you get them in there, take your level or straight edge, whatever you want to use, and mark your pipe flush with the toilet. Just lay it up against the toilet like so. Kind of get it where it's going to get into the wall, not so much. Pretty much like that. And then mark it with the, just like we did before with the pencil, and then we'll go to the next step, which, like I say, mark it on the inside of the level, not the outside.